The Morris Cancer Center is New Jersey's first and only freestanding cancer hospital. Pretty much everything that you could possibly need for cancer care under one roof. So I've been working with RWJBarnabas for about 11 years now, but Denker's history goes back about 20 years. We've supported them throughout every small and major project that they've had, and we were asked to help them get started figuring out the process for procuring furniture for this new space. We provided furniture solutions for 11 floors, everything from administrative, office, conferencing space to exam space, infusion, inpatient, outpatient, and even a public cafe. Our deploy team for asset management and logistics also were very involved. So all of the equipment that ultimately went into the building came through Denker first.
We initially were contracted to have 12 to 13,000 pieces of equipment come through our facility. So everything from free weights to larger pieces of medical equipment came through our facility. It ended up being close to 18,500 pieces of equipment that we handled in, stored, and then kind of had a white glove delivery and install. Oftentimes we'd have deliveries hit our dock that needed to be at the hospital within an hour. And so just the ability to have that turnaround and also to have a presence on site that knew where everything was, like the back of their hand, was so beneficial for not only us, but I think for the larger team kind of getting the hospital together.
I really believe that the best thing you can do to support a healthcare client is to be that trusted person that they know they can go to help get things done. To be their first phone call when something needs to happen quickly and efficiently, and have them know that we're going to help them figure out a way to get it done. And that's really, I think, what means the most in healthcare, is to be a partner to them. And when we are brought in as part of a team, like we were on the Morris, that's really when the best work happens. A few years ago, when my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer, I saw how complicated that journey can be, from so many different doctors and specialists and having to go to so many different places for care. And it's a time when everything already feels really overwhelming. And that's why having a place like the Morris matters so much, and bringing everything together in one place really changes that experience. The space I would say that definitely means the most to me and is the most special is the Jersey Shore themed pediatric department. Of course, no one wants to think about a child having to go through a cancer diagnosis, but that's what makes having a special space for them that much more important. A space they can go to that feels playful, less clinical, and maybe makes them forget why they're there for a few minutes is really special.
She really does have a passion for healthcare and making spaces grow. I mean, even the pediatric floor, seeing her tear up and see that space, and see the impact that she made in making that space come to life is awesome.
It truly is a great example of why I love what I do, and how important I feel the work is to just support the environments where care happens. I really feel fortunate that we got to be involved in helping open New Jersey's first and only cancer hospital.